Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT, a bike that continues to capture the hearts of adventure riders. With its blend of versatility, performance, and comfort, the V-Strom 650 XT is ready for both city commuting and long-distance touring. Let's explore what makes this model stand out: design and build quality. First off, the design of the 2025 V-Strom 650 XT is a balance of ruggedness and sophistication. The new color options give it a fresh look, while the signature beak and tall windshield maintain that adventure bike aesthetic. The build quality is impressive, with durable materials that can withstand the rigors of off-road riding. The ergonomic seat ensures comfort for those long rides, making it a great choice for touring enthusiasts. Performance. Under the hood, the V-Strom 650 XT is powered by a 645cc V-twin engine, delivering a smooth power band and ample torque. The bike offers a responsive ride whether you're navigating city streets or tackling mountain trails. The adjustable suspension enhances handling, providing a stable and comfortable ride on varied terrain. Plus, the addition of traction control and ABS enhances safety, giving riders more confidence in different conditions. Features. Suzuki has equipped the 2025 V-Strom 650 XT with advanced features. The updated TFT display provides essential information at a glance, while the new USB charging port keeps your devices powered on the go. The luggage options are practical and versatile, making it easy to pack for extended trips. And let's not forget the heated grips, which add an extra layer of comfort for those chilly rides. Off-road capability. One of the highlights of the V-Strom 650 XT is its off-road capability. With a solid chassis and 19-inch front wheel, it can handle rough trails with ease. The dual-sport tires offer excellent grip, allowing you to explore beyond the pavement. Whether you're an experienced off-roader or just starting, this bike is designed to take you places. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT is a fantastic option for riders seeking a versatile, reliable adventure bike. With its blend of performance, comfort, and features, it stands out in its class. If you're looking for a bike that can handle both daily commuting and weekend adventures, the V-Strom 650 XT deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe.